Hey everyone, this is Finding Value. I'm going to do a quick clip on platinum. I am currently accumulating platinum. I have been since the middle of 2019 when the ratio went really green against all of the other metals. Silver was still cheap, and I was accumulating physical silver and physical platinum at the same time, kind of interconnected depending on the deals I was finding at the time in 2019 and early 2020. After COVID, silver premium spiked, and I was mainly focusing on purchasing platinum since that time period. So what I'm going to go over is the platinum price performance in other currencies. Sometimes that gives us an indication of what's up. I'm also going to look at the price in USD based off of a 95% confidence band, and then I'm going to look into the mining costs, all-in sustaining costs of South Africa, because they're 75% and the majority of production comes from South Africa. So they really determine the price of platinum and in that market, since they are the major supplier. So this is platinum price performance, and this obviously it looks kind of overwhelming with all these numbers, but if you go to the bottom, this is 2000 to March 7th, 2019. This is the return on average per year of platinum. So in USD, we're looking at 7.5%. I don't know what ARS is, but it's a 33.7%, 5%, 10, 5, 4, 6, 6, 7, 11, 8, 6, 8, 11. What I'm getting at here is even from 2000 to 2018, platinum has been doing quite poorly, performing quite poorly in relationship to all the other metals since 2008 peak. This is a huge down market in this time frame, and I can show you in the next slide here. These are the returns in all these different currencies during a massive down market in platinum. That's what my takeaway is here. It's going up 7.5% on average over the last 20 years, and this has been an entire bear market here. This is what it looks like in USD plotted. So this is the 95% prediction band is the green band here. What we'd like to do is buy on these bottoms of this band. Right now we're in the 800s down here. It peaked all the way. It went all the way down to 600 and something during March. For sure I was buying like hell during this time frame. I mean, I was loading up. I loaded up on silver too. So down here, buy, and then when it was coming back up, I was buying like a madman in the 700s. We're in the 800s now. It's still an incredible buy. But I wanted you guys to know this 95% confidence band. We're at that bottom of the band. I think we're going to go higher going forward over the next couple of years. Obviously, I can't predict the next 6 months, but I think precious metals in general are going to go higher. Platinum follows gold. I say this as an analogy. Platinum is married to gold, but its brother is palladium. So obviously, platinum is going to have to go with who it married, which is gold, and the brother sometimes has influence on you as well if you're platinum. And the next slide here, this is the South African platinum mine cost. This was in 2017. What we're focusing on is the higher cost producers over here. All of the higher cost producers, $1,200 is right here. And these are the ones that really determine the market, are the ones out here. 7 million cumulative production, and this is in ounces here. 7 million ounces over here. Some of these guys may even be curtailing production over here. Whenever you have the chance, and this is 800 down here, whenever you have the chance to buy below the mining costs, if you're buying below the mining costs of these green guys down here, I don't know if there's a way you can lose money. There is no way if you buy and accumulate during that time frame that you could possibly lose money in the future over a long period of time. If you're buying at the same all-in sustaining costs as the lowest cost producers in the world. There's just no way. So I just wanted to bring this up. The opportunity is now. You need to start getting physical precious metals. If you've never purchased physical precious metals, I will put in the description some descriptions of how you do that, what the differences are between government issued coins, bullion. It goes into it the whole 9 yards. Where to buy it, how to sell it, and all that stuff. Now's the time to pick it up. And also looking at a very long-term perspective. And maybe my viewpoint here is a little bit different. You have the monetary protection in precious metals, which is awesome because all of these currencies are being debased on a worldwide basis. So it doesn't matter what country you're in. Another thing, energy, I think over the next 10 years in terms of oil is going to get more scarce. The energy, net free energy to do work in society is going to decline. It's going to be harder and harder to extract oil in the next 10, 20 years. So as a long-term play, if you pick up precious metals when energy is its cheapest, which is now, I think in the future it's going to be that much more difficult to extract these metals from a declining ore basis and also from a declining energy basis in the future. So you're protected in all senses. It is no one's debt. It is protected against a decline in energy. It is not a business. You're not pricing a stock based off of future earnings growth and all that other stuff. I think it's one of the three assets that preserves wealth over very long periods of time. This is Finding Value. Hopefully this gives you a little bit different perspective on platinum, and go buy some, go pick some up. I know JM Bullion's having a special right now. Any quantity, I think it's $70 over spot. It's pretty good. I already bought some. This is Finding Value. Comment, subscribe. Thank you.